Good afternoon, everyone. I got a little video on this here Poulan Pro chainsaw that I'm gonna, and this little bitty Husqvarna 262. Basically the same saw, just that, well, whatever Husqvarna decide is inferior, they send over to Poulan. I've looked up videos and all this other stuff on how to fix them, but not the 262, the Poulan right there. I have seen videos on adjust this, adjust that, buy this, buy that, extend the spark plug, extend this, extend that. I've come to the conclusion that there's only one way to fix the stupid things, and I will show you here in a minute. Forgive the little tripod today. But yes, I have looked at videos on this old sucker for a long time, trying to figure out what was wrong with it. And nothing really even seemed to work. Mess with the carburetor, mess with this, mess with that. And about the only real reason, well, actually the only real way that I have found to really fix it is with a little multi-tool that I have recently come by. Well, you know, everyone, a screwdriver, a ratchet, and everything else in one little handy tool. This is how you adjust the damn carburetor. Should run now. This is how you change the spark plug. Give it a good couple whacks. And then give it another whack for good measure. On that one, basically same saw. Probably a couple years old. Don't know much about them, but they're basically the same saw. And can't fix it either. So, the old multi-tool right here. Give it a couple whacks. Looks fixed to me. Now, for everyone that wants to know anything else, you buy a good saw, you get good out. So buy a Stihl or Husky. Not these things, not the 262 that is. 372, 66 Magnum, and any other big saw. Instead of these little Walmart, well, actually I shouldn't say that. These little saws that are not on the main market, is you're not going to get anything out of them. Well, you're going to get stuff out of them. You're going to get pissed off and the old multi-tool out and show them what's up. And as always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to leave me a bad comment, go right on ahead. And if you like this video, and I don't know why you wouldn't, give me a subscribe. I feel better now. Give you a little bit more of a close-up on what just happened. Fixed the carburetor. Fixed the old spark plug. Fixed everything else. That and that there. I don't even know where the carburetor was on that one. But yeah. That is basically fixed. Like I say, you want a saw? By Husqvarna, Stihl. Well, I guess nowadays Johnson Red too. Except for that saw right there, 262 old Husqvarnas. Golly. That's all for now.